media and film would be nothing without the music. And so we got Stoney G Vanguard right here. And so we're going to talk a little bit about what he has going on. But first and foremost, introduce yourself to the people.
I'm Stoney G Vanguard. I'm from Washington Park, Illinois, right across the bridge from St. Louis.
Okay.
And I got Vanguard East. I'm CEO of Vanguard East. We got Vanguard Records, then we got Vanguard East.
Okay.
We got Vanguard South. You know, so we.
Oh, y'all all over. Y'all come with swag.
Yeah, we got films, we got videos. Like I said, I just dropped mini movie, which is Street Nigga.
Okay.
Which is a song I already had. I just turned it to a little mini movie.
Tell us a little bit about it. Like what? So I know you said it's on YouTube, but what can one expect to see?
A lot of good footage, and you know, it's like a revenge type of movie.
Okay.
It's short some. It's like one of those like Friday type of feeling where it's just everything happened in one day type of thing.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So, like I say, it's dope. You know, like the first hood like type of movie from around our way. You know what I'm saying?
Indeed.
Yeah. So I'm liking it. Everybody else been liking it. You know what I'm saying? It's been out for like about 2 weeks.
Oh wow. Okay.
Like
okay. So
at 400, like close to about 400 views. You know. Promoting, trying to promote it, you know what I'm saying?
So guys, you know, like I said, media and film would be nothing without the music. So how do you see yourself kind of continuing on with the film now that you dropped one short? So I know is something else on the way?
Yeah, well, like I said, I do a lot of network, you know what I'm saying? I got my young guys that they do, so we got this thing now whereas we all done linked up, you know what I'm saying, you know, support system, you know what I'm saying, so I support them. We always dropping something, you know, every week we trying to do something, whether it's my
and that's what it's about, making sure that you're consistent with what you're doing. Because that's what people want to see. People want to see what's really going on, and they want to see you working, so that's what's up. So let everybody know where you can find you on social media.
Well, you can find me on Facebook, Stoney G Vanguard. Then you can find me on YouTube, Stoney G Vanguard. You can find me on Instagram at Stoney G VGR. You know, so and then like you just Spotify, you know, all that. You know.
So all he's saying is make sure you run the music up and the views on the new short.
And watch that movie Mike Check.
Mike,
which was our first movie.
Okay. So he got other movies out there. All right. So what you gonna do? You gonna go follow him, Stoney G Vanguard, and then you gonna run all the numbers up.
Right. Please do.